They say we have 1 minute. 1 minute. What did we put that question?
I'm making a political point, Arnab.
Siddharth, they say we accepted most of the recommendations of the select committee. I'm just saying that. They're saying most of the recommendations of the select committee, which comprises members of all political parties, and hence should be looked as a one big step towards getting a political consensus over the Lokpal bill, will help the bill get passed in Parliament, has been done. You've also been part of that select committee.
That's the idea. You know, they want to, the Congress would like to do a Tarzan. They would like to beat their chest and say, hey, we have got a Lokpal. Now the elections are coming. We have given you anti-corruption ombudsman. This is what the Congress is. But the people in the villages...
You are accusing... So you are saying today that the Congress party... No. So you are saying the Congress party is subverting the legislative process?
You don't want to take...
Renuka ji, don't, you want to repeat some rhetorics. It is because of us that you accepted a JPC in the 2G. It is because of us that you were forced to get the,
then why did you walk out of the select committee?
In the fashion it has been done.
Where was the need for you since you were so good and you were steering it?
Hold on to the CBI.
Why did you walk out of this committee and start a platform?
Your control over the CBI and the autonomy of the CBI. That's where the whole your case rests. So don't tell us what we have done. We have helped you.
So now, so you will tell us what you think is right.
One second. Renuka Chaudhary. To the Congress and the BJP, one at a time, please. One at a time, please. Yes, Congress is responding. I have a question for both sides. After Renuka Chaudhary, Renuka Chaudhary, he is saying you are not following the process. Can your only response be who told you to walk out of the select committee? He's saying you are not following the process.
So I'm asking him. So what are you asking? Process? If the Aam Aadmi keeps changing their process every half day, it's a hard act for us to follow. They were part of the decision making. And halfway they up the antenna and they leave. Then they can't decide on a consolidated way forward.
Renuka ji, don't show arrogance towards what you are in the government.
No. What is the arrogance? Now, see,
let's... Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Renuka Chaudhary, can we talk merits of the case?
You to talk as the way you want.
No, one second.
I think you are arrogant.
Can we pick up one more...
That you have the audacity to be part of a government discussion and then you walk out, you set up a platform.
No.
You start a new business and then you're accusing us.
We do on a certain merits and on the ground of dissent. When you try not to bring the Chidambaram
Okay, I heard both sides. 1 minute.
Under investigation.
Renuka Chaudhary.
Powers of the JPC.
Siddharth Nath Singh, I said we'll keep it focused. Siddharth Nath Singh, I think case number 2. BJP says, why are you asking for a notice to be given to a public servant by the Lokpal before he embarks upon consideration of the complaint against the public servant? Renuka Chaudhary, you've been a minister. By rejecting this recommendation of the select committee, the government is being accused of consciously trying to protect public servants against whom complaints have been received. Why should the benefit of doubt be given to the accused? Why should he not be made party to the preliminary inquiry? Why should a notice be given to a public servant before he embarks upon consideration of the complaint? I mean, you are making the whole process of initiating an inquiry against a possibly corrupt public servant so bureaucratic and cumbersome, Renuka Chaudhary. For the Aam Aadmi, not the Aam Aadmi party, for the Aam Aadmi, that very few people will want to go through the process.
But the key word is possibly corrupt. We all know that we live in a world today where accusations can be made downright. If you're going to subject every public servant to an open accusation, open-ended accusation, without a preliminary structure to address then it is alarming. We are going to unleash a fix-you game. Someone who doesn't get some funds will say that this man is corrupt.
I'll give you an example. Can I give you an example?
What is the premise that you work on?
Okay, I'll give you an example. Examples which have been talked about. Let's say Shri or Shrimati XYZ is a corrupt person. Shri or Shrimati XYZ has bank accounts, has cash in their house, has jewelry, has documents which prove that they are corrupt. Now, that person obviously to be so corrupt must have a very conniving and evil mind. if you tell such a person that Shri XYZ, I am giving you notice. See, you're already smiling because you agree with me. If you tell a person that I give you notice,
No, I'm not.
I am
I
coming
smile
in,
because
I am
it's taxed
coming
me.
in 7 days, then Shri XYZ will in that period hide all possible forms of illegal gratification and ensure the books are cleaned, and then will.
Aren't we being a little naive?
No,
Aren't we being a
absolutely
little
not.
naive?
That, well, how are you? Do you expect a corrupt person on being given notice not to make attempts to conceal the acts of corruption?
How do you know that the person who's been given a notice is not under watch?
Watch.
Yes.
How
it's
do
a
I
very
raid a
good way
person?
to smoke out the person.
How do I raid a corrupt person? I want to go to a
It's
corrupt
a very
person's
good way
house.
to smoke the person out. The minute they start transferring, then you know.
But you've not raided.
But
You
if
need to
someone
collect
just
the
goes
evidence.
up and how are you
I need to
how do
collect the
you
evidence.
establish Mrs. XYZ
No, so-
has disproportionate
Arnab.
assets, has gold in the house?
Yes, yes.
Aam Aadmi is going to tell
No,
us.
I want to raid their house. But if I go about giving
How do
notices,
you say that they have disproportionate
So
bank
I would-
accounts?
I would raid
based
their
on
house.
what? What was your inquiry?
I'll tell you, I would raid their house, I would raid their bank assets, I would seize their assets, I would seize their papers, and if I find nothing, I'll give them a clean sheet. But if I give them a notice, that's like giving them a
Hello?
warning in advance.
What about the loss of reputation?
Loss of reputation.
I think you. This is disgusting. You mean to say you're willing to just trample over anyone on an accusation which is not substantiated?
I got your
And
argument.
then you say that I'll give them a clean chit.
No, I'm asking
Is that the
you.
way
I'm
to
asking,
work?
I'm asking you whether the process
What
is...
about an honest man who,
Arnab.
if something like that happened, I'll kill myself.
Okay.
For the humiliation.
I heard you. But
Nothing
Siddharth Nath Singh.
compensates for that.
Siddharth Nath Singh, that's Renuka Chaudhary
Arnab.
demolishing the BJP argument that you should not give notices to public
I'm
servants
sorry.
before beginning an inquiry. Your response.
I'm sorry.
I mean, the
Arnab,
process
under
of
the
law,
criminal
you just
procedure,
assume they're guilty.
Nobody gets
and you
this
proceed on
benefit
that.
you are informed about if we are going to raid. I think in any investigation, suddenness and surprise is the essence of it. Now, but they don't want
Yes,
to. Probably
after
the
you-
Mr.
after you do
Renuka Chaudhary
preliminary
has
inquiries
also-
to establish.
You have not read. No. Are Baba, you have not read the select committee report. Please read it where they say before the decision is taken by the Lokpal, there is a 3-member select committee, the 3-member Lokpal committee, which will go through the merits of complaint, and then they will decide to have a preliminary inquiry or not. So please
Precisely.
read it. So already a procedure is laid out,
that
and on the
exactly
basis
begs
of the
the
preliminary
question.
inquiry, you cannot inform somebody that I am coming and going to raid you. This is against the criminal
How funny you
procedure.
are.
It is
You
not
are
given to any
something
Aam
that is
Aadmi.
based on a preliminary inquiry already establishes what evidence you have. So where is that man going to run?
No.
But the day you register preliminary, you are going against, you are saying, no, I will give a public servant the right to clarify. We will give them enough time so that they can cover all their footprints and they can run away with all the evidence which a surprise raid could have collected.
That's very slanderous and libelous
I don't
talk that
understand
you are
which form
doing.
of the IPC you want to follow.
Point number 3.
Well, it's certainly not your form of following this order.
Point number 3. There are 3 issues. There are 3
Arnab,
issues.
I wanted to respond to point number 2.
You want to respond to point number 2. Renuka Chaudhary says, as per the principles of natural justice, if I quote her, paraphrase her correctly, you have to give an opportunity to the other side to present their case, to which there can be an argument that when you give opportunity, you're giving warning. When you're giving warning, you let the person conceal. When the person conceals, they will not just conceal, they will hire a very expensive lawyer to fight their case for them. By the time the officers land at their house, the accused will be more prepared than the person who is investigating. It's just a possibility.
No,
Arnab,
you
there's one more
already
point in that.
have a preliminary inquiry. There is a certain premise on which you're basing your order to go ahead and investigate them. So that evidence is not going to go.
I have a third
There's
point.
three people who are sitting and deciding
No, but
on the
Arnab, I
merits
wanted
of
to
the
respond
case.
to point number 2.
Yeah, Mayank is responding to point number 2 and the Congress party's argument. Yes.
Yeah, see, I think this whole argument is very spacious. You are giving a warning to the accused that you cover up everything and you hide, and you also can victimize the people who's complaining against you. So there can be no argument for this. I think the government is covering up for the accused government officials
This is ridiculous.
rather than the complainant.
Every day there are income tax raids and raids conducted all across the country where people come and say that this is what we suspect.
Ma'am, wherever there are raids,
people go and raid.
they don't go and ask the people who's
Who is
raided
victimized
that please
after
give
the
your
raid,
answer
please
before
tell
we
me.
raid you. It doesn't
The
work
people-
like that. I don't think you know what you are talking
but you
about.
are saying-
this is a completely ridiculous
Okay,
argument.
fine. Since you are the... What is ridiculous if we
So
agree
don't
with
feel
you?
bad.
It's
I'm
not
telling you the
ridiculous.
truth.
It's time now for a very, very short break. I'll be back in a couple of minutes as we take the debate forward. Has the government really betrayed the people of India, or is the opposition overreacting on the draft Lokpal bill?